Hello, this is Blue on Blue Point Trading. It's the 24th of June, 2013, start of another glorious trading week, and the market's starting on the back foot, and probably come down a little bit further here and try to stabilize here, and then looking for a poke down and then maybe a bounce up here. So a little bit on the back foot to start, and then maybe get a small rally. We might get as high as this break point here at 1600 before it stalls a little bit. So looking for a little bit of down, then up to the 1600. With that, bonds still trailing off. It might be in some kind of an exhaustion mode here. So we're looking for this to stabilize and eventually kind of pop back up here onto the trend line. In the Forex, down hard, staying down. That usually means it wants to go down. So looking again for a little poke down and then maybe a little bit of rebound later on today. Pound, however, is in a nice turn the corner and moving down. So looking for this to trade sideways and potentially go further down. On the yen, still reaching for the sky there, looking for 99 and then maybe a pullback into the wedge. On the Swiss, again a little pullback here onto into the channel and then perhaps continued higher. Aussie, a little poke down and then come back up maybe onto the trend line before it decides what it wants to do later. And the CAD, a little higher and then a retreat back to the potential breakpoint there at 104. Okay, and the commodities, gold, still negative and holding down. Looking for this to challenge the old lows and then perhaps then bounce back up and come back up to the trend line, maybe even get as high as the break point at 1340 and then stall and then decide where it wants to go from there. Oil, again, down poke, maybe make a new low here and then come back up to the break point, which is around the 94.50 area. So that's what we're looking for in the oil. And as always, whatever you do, don't be panicking in the market.